As Panta, we are a qualified partner of industrial companies, with an offering characterized by the design and supply of innovative technological solutions for water and wastewater treatment and recovery. Our goal is to provide state-of-the-art sustainable solutions for process and technology innovation, as well for machinery and all plant components, having the responsible management of the natural resources guideline. We focus our R&D on sustainable water management and promote environmental friendliness through design solutions and plant technologies to mitigate as much as possible the direct and indirect impacts generated by customer production activities. It's our duty to uphold human values and engage in social responsible behavior to improve the quality of life of our employees and the community in which we operate. We believe it's essential to encourage development through training and involvement of staff. Panta governance is based on ethical principles that commit us to pursue one or more purposes of common benefit and operate responsibly, sustainably, and transparently in countries where we have presence and with our stakeholders. Through our company, we want to create a sustainable value over time. We really want to hand over a better future to our children.